Is Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 crashing with the error? An unreal process has crashed, UE-PlaytimeLauncher, or GPU crash dump triggered on PC? In this video, I'll show you all the working fixes step by step to resolve the UE-Fatal Error / GPU crash dump triggered issue on Windows 10 and Windows 11.
First, open the Start menu. Search for Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Display Adapter. Right-click your display adapter. Select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. You can also click on Search for updated drivers in Windows Update. Click on Check for updates. Now wait for your PC to be updated to the latest version. First, open your browser. Search for NVIDIA App Download. Click on NVIDIA App Download. Press Download Now. Wait for the installer to be downloaded. Double-click the installer you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press on Agree and Continue. Click on the Drivers tab. Click on Check for updates. Now press Download. Wait for the latest driver to be installed. Press Install. Press Yes. Select Express Installation. Press Continue. Now wait for the latest NVIDIA to be installed.